boy, let's do it. We do bringbacks when it's something that was probably the most popular item in the show. Maybe you missed it. Maybe it's hanging on, lingering in your cart, and you just want to take another look at it before you hit purchase. Retail value of $120. QVC sale price, clearance price, $64.99. But that does mean with that clearance price, no reorder. If you looked on QVC.com right now, you'd see 155 five-star reviews, but also know that we've sold over 66,000 of the Caroline Orchid. It's the Clarks collection, so think most beautiful premium leathers. It's a ruched ankle boot in 3 colors. Let's take you through. This is your navy. Very popular on our first presentation was the dark brown. And then we also have it for you in the black. Tons of versatility, heritage influence, easygoing but still sophisticated.
Right.
Half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths. It's A52 3275. All right, Leanna, you're up.
Well, this is exciting because the Caroline is super popular, like you said, as a bring back, and it also has been very popular. And you may want to tune in this weekend coming up for a Caroline. Just saying. Caroline is, again, that outsole with that tread. It's giving you that great grip and traction. We are infusing rice husk flex to keep it organic and look natural and heritage, like you said. Then the upper is that super soft leather. It's the orchid. We're giving you ruching all the way up the front. So it's like a pleating in the leather. If you did not have quality leather, you cannot get these amazing details. You're showing that zipper there. The zipper is on the inside. It's a tonal zipper. We back all of our zippers, so no rubbing or pinching. Inside is all lined with a super soft microfiber material. Then on the opposite side, you're getting a little hardware, you're getting a gore panel, you're getting a little stud detail, then you're getting a little bit of a zigzag stitch. So that is all what we call the hand of Clarks, that beautiful, heritage handcrafted look. Inside is that ultimate comfort footbed. So you're getting targeted cushioning where you need it most. So underneath your heel, right at your arch, and underneath the ball of your foot. So having an everyday boot that's giving you all of that comfort, out of the box comfort. So when you get this home, this will be your favorite everyday boot.
It'll be your favorite right out of the box. There's no break-in period whatsoever because this is a leather story, really. The quality of the leather, the suppleness of the leather, look how it just sort of collapse if I ask it to, but then still retains its shape. That ruching will never iron itself out. It will always have this cool organic vibe to it. But this is for everybody. This is the boot that everyone is wearing. It is still boot season. Believe you me, I know we just presented some sandals, but this is still boot season. It was frigidly cold today where I live. Like my hair felt so cold I thought I was going to break off. I had to pick up my dog and wrap him in my big coat. I was like, it's too cold for you, buddy, even in his jacket. So you're wearing this with tights. You're wearing this with jeans. You have some tall cabin socks and you're ruching them on down. But you're wearing this throughout the seasons. Definitely transitions yourself right into springtime with this shoe as well. But it's just a cool kind of urban vibe look. I love it with those cuffed up jeans.
I love it like that too. And just to have that detail of the ruching, we could have done plain leather. We could have given you tonal stitching. It really just looks great on the foot. How about wearing it even with a boot cut jean? Because that toe shape is super nice. Wearing it, like you said, with tights and a dress. Wearing it with a cabin sock that's scrunched down over your leggings. Every way you're going to wear it, you get so much comfort, so much support, and you look stylish.
Yeah, you really do. You really look I can see a college girl wearing this, walking through campus, as much as I could see her grandma rocking this too. And looking contemporary, looking fresh, looking cool, but being comfortable, being stable, that's what we love. Let me talk about colors real fast. So if you want this navy color, I think we only have 80 remaining. Is that still correct? 80 remaining. This is the navy, but it's still this really rich, saturated, midnight inky navy. Then I have it for you in the very popular, literally flying out the door popular. This is the dark brown. The Pantone color of the season, of the year, pardon me, Mocha Mousse. If you want to get on that bandwagon, this is the color that you need to bring into your wardrobe. If you have black boots already, great, try the dark brown. Then we have it for you if you are looking for that new black boot in the black color as well. Very chic, kind of like, you could dress this like moto style if you wanted, by the way, because you know I love me a moto jacket, I love me a moto style. You can make this cool, you can make this sophisticated, you can make this edgy, you can make it polished. That's what I love about the Caroline Orchid. I also love the fact that it's a retail value of $120. We are $55 less than that at a clearance price of $64.99 and an easy pay of $21.66. You got to get this home. We have your like inclusive sizing, half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths, up to 12 medium, but 10 on the wides. It's A523275. We have about 90 seconds left to love on the Caroline Orchid.
I love all the looks that you were picturing. I mean, that you were saying. Absolutely. You can wear it edgy. You can wear it classy. So many different ways. Like you said, Julie, we start off with 7 colors. These are 3 great colors that are left. So why not grab any of the colors? They are super, I mean, they're easy to wear. If you're a denim girl, there's the denim ones. I'm a denim girl. You know, if you need a black boot, I mean, maybe you need a black boot, or you don't have a rich chocolate, but any of the colors would be great.
I agree. But don't wait on the dark brown. Everyone's loving on it. And good point that we started with 7 different colors. We're down to these 3, but they're all neutrals, which means we probably brought in the most of these colors, but now only 600 remain of the 66,000 that we've sold. Isn't that crazy?
Crazy.
They're not being reordered. 155 5-star reviews, half and whole sizes, medium and wide widths. Should be $120 if you shop for this anywhere else. And this is an international brand. You can find Clarks. But when you go ahead and you shop at QVC, you get perks like easy pay. You get crazy good clearance prices like this. Here is your navy. 50 now remain. Here is dark brown, 200. And then here is your black. That's going to be your best bet. It's very popular, fewer than 300. A523275. Liana Matera, I always love getting to spend a full hour with you. Thank you so much.
It was fun. Thanks, Julia.
I'll see you soon. Hey, you can go ahead on QVC.com and shop backwards if you missed any styles or you want to do like a little bit of a deeper dive. It's all going to be right there. You just put in QVC2 for your channel and you'll see everything that we've talked about in the last hour and then some. My name is Julia.